Hello everyone, it is Erin Flutter here, and I am here filming my September setup, and I am using my old school sunflower kits, which I did not think I had ever used before. However, I was looking at some YouTube thumbnails the other day, and it looks like I have used this before. So we're just gonna have to deal with that, and it'll be fine. But I didn't finish my fall kit in time to film this. I've been trying to do film ahead of time. So I didn't film or finish my fall cheetah kit that is coming out in October. So unfortunately, it is what it is. But, anyways, here we go. So I have my September setup going, and here is the at a glance page. This is where I put my entire schedule, what I do video wise, content wise. I put everything here, shop wise, everything goes on this particular page. And I do see that it says 1 through 31, so I'm going to have to fix that after I finish up here. And actually, there is a nice acrylograph that matches this particular craft paper. So all I'm going to have to do is cut the 31 off and then use that acrylograph to go over the S for Sunday, I believe. But anyways, moving on. Because this is one of my older kits, I don't have the specialty stickers that I usually make for myself and or my patrons. So I don't have an income sticker or an expense sticker, which I usually use. So I'm putting the totals in with on that little notes pad, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and write in income and expenses. And I'm referencing my income sources from the previous month. So I have website, YouTube, affiliate, patron, and other. Other is my catch-all. And then expenses, where I put my business expenses for the month. We are moving on. So I am putting my master task list in. This is just a basic list of everything that goes on in the month for my business. I have started doing this task list in multiple places. I started doing it in my regular bullet journal as well. So I'm covered. I usually kind of brainstorm in this particular journal and then move things over as I see fit into my regular bullet journal. And then over on the right hand side, I have my monthly goals. So I use these little progress bars for 25% each and put in my 4 goals for the month. I have to admit that I'm starting to, because I've started moving so much back into my main bullet journal, like my wellness and all that kind of stuff, I have to admit that I've been thinking about that for my business as well. Although it is hard because there are certain things that I really do appreciate about having a business bullet journal, but I don't reference this a lot throughout the month. I basically use it at the beginning of the month and the end of the month. So I'm wondering if I just need to move back into my regular bullet journal. But then I have to flip through multiple bullet journals to do um, like my taxes and stuff like that. So I like having it all in one spot. But I don't know. I'm definitely having a little bit of a crisis mentally when it comes to what I'm going to do for next year if I'm going to continue to do a business bullet journal. I have really enjoyed moving back in to my regular bullet journal for pretty much everything. So I'm gonna have to think about that a little bit more. It's hard, you know. I like the idea of having one bullet journal, but then when everything's in one bullet journal, I tend to get overwhelmed as well. So it would be nice to not be overwhelmed, but I think that's just because I'm overbooking myself. just in general. But I don't know. I'm definitely contemplating not doing this next year, but we'll go ahead and see and wait and see how it goes because it has been extremely helpful for me at the beginning of the month to think about everything and then at the end of the month to kind of wrap everything up. But I don't use it in the meantime. So I don't know. And I am going to continue working from home primarily. So one of the reasons why I was so okay with separating things out is because I work from home primarily. So anyways, that is my whole setup. I have my patron rewards information. That is where I mark off how my patrons are getting their rewards, which, by the way, my shop will no longer be selling physical stickers anymore starting in the new year. Black Friday is the last time that we will be selling physical stickers. Um, but if you do want physical sticker kits, then join my Patreon because they will still be getting physical stickers through the end of the next calendar year. And then my whole Patreon is going to change after that. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.